If you already have a profile on DocIndia, search for it on the page. You can search using your specialty and location or directly by entering the doctor's name. Click on Search. A list of doctors will appear based on your selected preferences. Click on View Profile and check if the selected profile is yours or not. If the selected profile is not yours, open another profile from the list and check it. Keep checking the other profiles until you find the one that belongs to you. If the profile is yours, just click on Claim Profile. Next, you'll go to the Identity Verification page. Submit 2 ID proofs, one government ID, like Aadhaar card, voter ID, or passport, and one medical certificate ID. You can add an extra medical certificate too. Watermarked documents are okay. We use them only for verification, and max size is 2 megabytes per file. Then click Submit to proceed. Your profile claim request has been accepted. You'll see your doctor dashboard, and verification will be completed shortly. Thank you for joining DocIndia.